Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to change the language in the Baidu Map app. So let's jump right in. First, it's important to know that Baidu Maps is mainly designed for Chinese users, which means there is no official settings inside the app to switch the language to English. So unfortunately, you can't change the language directly from Baidu Maps settings. But don't worry, there is a workaround. What you need to do is use a screen translation app called Instant Translate. So this one, Instant Translate on screen. So what you need to do is just simply download this one. So let's open it up. And then from here, you just basically have to agree to all of their permissions. And then once done, once it's installed, go to your Baidu Map. And from here, you want to launch the instant translator right over here and simply choose Global Translate. So watch as the app translates everything here. That's it. That's the easiest way to use Baidu Maps in English, even though the app doesn't officially support language changes. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.